right, melodies are all about motifs.
So in this video, you're gonna learn 2 super powerful motif hacks to instantly improve your melodies.
So put the kettle on and we'll meet you back in the studio. Hello, we are Revolution Harmony. I'm Kate Harmony and this is Ray Harmony.
Welcome to the Hack Music Theory Show, where you are empowered with notation-free theory for making great music. Alright, so just to get you orientated, what you see on the screen right now is the lead melody from the verse of our upcoming single, Throwing Words, that we made with our good chums, Triple L and Jesse Jung. Alright, let's jump in.
Hack 1. Early motif.
But first, what's a motif?
A motif is a short musical idea which you can repeat to give your music structure and therefore make it memorable. When writing melodies, there are 2 types of motifs, rhythmic and obviously melodic.
Yeah, so our main motif in this verse melody is a melodic motif, and it consists of these 3 descending notes up front here. So we start the whole melody with it, and you'll notice it's on beat 1. Okay, now this is how you can instantly apply this early motif hack to any of your melodies. You'll notice that we're repeating that exact melodic motif over here, but instead of doing it on that first beat of the bar, we've moved it an 8th note early. So you can take any melodic motif the second time you use it and just select all the MIDI and shift it back an 8th note perhaps. If you do a 16th note, it might sound a bit weird, but 8th notes are great. So just grab that melodic motif, shift it an 8th note back, and what you end up with is this wonderful balance of familiar and fresh, because the listeners recognize the melodic motif, but it's in a time that they were not expecting it. So check this out. And here's a quick bonus hack for you, which you can use on that second repetition of your motif. If you have a longer note, like this one here, what you can do is chop it up into some shorter notes, and then you can grab some of those shorter notes and move them to another note for extra freshness. Like this, check this out.
Hack 2. Switch motif. In the 3rd repetition of your motif, instead of playing it exactly the same as the first time, experiment with switching around the notes while keeping the rhythm the same.
Exactly, so you can see this is the original motif and this is the 3rd repetition of it, and the rhythms of both of those are identical, but the original one is descending and then the 3rd repetition is ascending. And with that, we've created that magical balance of fresh and familiar. Yet again, it's familiar because the listeners will recognize the rhythm and the notes, but it's fresh because the order of those notes are different. And with that, we're done.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you like our hacks, then subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications.
Also, remember to grab your free download of my book, 12 Music Theory Hacks to Learn Scales and Chords. You don't have to read music, there's no notation, it's super easy. It takes you half an hour to read. Do it, links below.
See you next time.
Question or intention, daunting, the thoughts we'll see. Toxic logic, be gentle, humanity, reflect everything we say, haunting, the words will be, respect, listen to me.